Train number 4. Train number 4, Union Pacific with an ace Tier 4 leading. Woo! Woohoo! Well, King. Brand new white tanker. Train number 3 was Amtrak 58. First time catching Amtrak 174 leading. Woo! Woo! What are those? He's booking it now. We got these, what are they called? Bulkhead. We got some bulkhead cars coming up. Woohoo!
Never mind, it's not.
R-Box. R-Box.
Oh, here goes the second one.
UP steel coil. Here come the bulkheads right after these tankers.
We actually got more bulkheads?
It's right after a few train cars. Whoa!
Oh yeah, look at these.
Brand new white tanker.
These cars. They're going those trash cars, I think.
These are the bulkheads.
I don't think these are bulkheads. I think these are those trash rail cars.
Oh.
Yeah, that's what they look like. Yeah, that's what they are.
Oh.
If we're wrong, correct us, please. Oh, I think they're talking to a fluid rail.
Liquefied petroleum gas. Sodium hydroxide. TTX. Triple.
They're talking about crossing over at Averdale.
Who?
Someone, I don't know, I couldn't hear them.
Oh.
I just
Yeah. Whoa, the water's vibrating.
I know.
He's
This might actually be our best rail sanding experience we've had.
really.
Minus the fact that it's freezing.
Yeah.
That root beer's trying to survive.
Yeah, really.
Oh, we got the end coming up, I think.
GATX.
Ah! Wait, they just said something about 1419.
What is that? Look it up. There goes train number 4. Union Pacific Manifest with an Ace Tier 4 leader and the horn show. Hope y'all enjoy.